Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to apply Upper Kajal with an easy guide. First, always start with a clean canvas. Gently cleanse your eyelids to remove any residual oils or makeup, ensuring a smooth surface. Next, apply a thin, even layer of eye primer. This step helps your Kajal last longer and prevents smudging throughout your day. Finally, make sure your Kajal pencil is perfect. Now let's get to the application. Look down into a mirror. This helps expose your upper waterline and makes it easier to see. With your non-dominant hand, gently pull your upper eyelid taut. This creates a smooth surface for the Kajal. Begin applying the Kajal in short, controlled strokes, starting from the inner corner and moving outwards along your upper lash line. Aim for a thin, even line. With your PayPal, me link copied, sharing it is incredibly simple. You can paste it into an email, a text message, or any messaging application you use like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Just send the link directly to the person who needs to pay you. When they click on it, they will be taken straight to your PayPal Me page, where they can enter the amount and send you money without needing your email address or phone number. It's very convenient. To ensure your upper Kajal lasts all day, consider setting it with a matching eyeshadow. Lightly dab a small amount of shadow over the Kajal line. Remember to avoid rubbing your eyes, as this can cause smudging and diminish your look. With these simple steps, you can achieve a beautiful and long-lasting upper Kajal application. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.